All right, guys, we're getting under this 1969 Chevelle. This has got all of the goodies all the way around. This was done with a full rotisserie restoration. I'm just gonna walk here and go through everything that this one has on it, because it does have a lot. But yes, again, full rotisserie restoration. And we'll just start right up front. We have 4-core aluminum radiator, electric fans. We have QA1 suspension, lower and upper control arms. We have QA1 front sway bar, and again, your adjustable coilovers right there. Then let's get into the engine. So on the engine, this is a 383 stroker. We have an ATI dampener. We have your Mesa oil tank. Then your SFI bell housing. We have your Tremec 5-speed. This is all set up. You can see that a couple of these components are not tied up because it does have the gauges that are set up off of GPS. But you can see here, powder coated frame. Does got a few skid marks just right there. It's not bad clearance, but you can see that it has kind of scuffed there. Now going in, we got long tube headers all the way through, and this goes all the way to your MagnaFlow mufflers. This has your Pat's drive shaft right there, and then you have your trick flow diff cover. This is your 12-bolt Willwood brakes on the front and back. Again, QA1 suspension all the way around. QA1 adjustable coilovers. That is just set up the right way. It is fuel injected, so it does have your fuel injected fuel tank. We can see here it's got all of your AN fittings for your fuel lines. It's braided just the way that you want it. It does have your emergency brake that is connected and does work as well. So this thing is set up, and there's a lot more to go through with this one. Definitely stay tuned to the test drive. Hey guys, it's Hutch, Classic Car Addict, Mesa, Arizona. I'm going to bring this brand new addition. This is a 1969 Chevelle, and it's a Pro Touring. It is set up right. It's got the black cherry metallic, 3 coats of PPG. This thing just shines so well. It's a full rotisserie restoration. Frame's been powder coated. QA1 suspension all the way around, 12-bolt rear end, 383 stroker. There is over $17,000 just of motor work, $20,000 in paint, and look, Willwood all the way around, all the extras. It's got AC, it's got a book of everything with it showing that it was taken down to full metal. What we're gonna do is give you a startup, show you the exterior, show you the interior, and take you on a test drive. Stay tuned. Guys, this is getting in that 1969 Malibu Sport, and this thing is just amazing. It really is. All the right engine work, all the right body work, all the right suspension work, all the good interior. I mean, this thing is just perfect and ready to go. So just going through here, it's got a little bit of dust and debris. There are a few little small rock chips that are in through there. Of course, this is Arizona. And a little bit of dust out here. There's a little bit right there. But other than that, this thing is in such good shape. And look at that shine. It really is. Windshield is actually in good shape. You can see up through here. It is also in very good shape. Maybe just a few small chips, but nothing crazy whatsoever. This thing has withgone a full rotisserie restoration. It is all metal all the way around. Everything with this one is just how you want it. Back window's in great shape, and you can see all this body work. Everything with this is just near perfect. They did such a good job. I am really impressed by it. Few little small things just here around Again, nothing crazy whatsoever. Maybe a rock chip here and there, but no big cracks on that whatsoever. Everything is looking great. These panels and the paintwork is so good, and it shines so well. This is black cherry. We have American Racing rims. All of these are in good shape. I will show you on the other one. There might be a little small imperfection there from getting the wheels on. But all right, rims are in great shape. 245, 45, 18s on the front. You have Rosewood brakes. You have slotted and drilled rotors. QA1 suspension, all the good stuff. And look at that bodywork. I mean, just phenomenal. Phenomenal. It really is. 285, 40, 18s on the rear. Again, rims, American Racing. Those are in great shape. Rosewood's in the back. QA1 for the rear suspension as well. I mean, this all, there's a whole box full of all the documentation behind this one. Look at that bumper. I mean, all the bright work, everything's great. Again, all this is all metal. I just love that. All the rims, all the tires. These are newer tires as well. Yeah, look. Oh yeah, these are ready to go. But it shines so nice. Yeah. Now this one does have a little bit of curb rash you can kind of see right here. But other than that, everything else is near perfect. Now getting in to the heart. Oh yeah, 383 stroker. There's a crate, aluminum heads, out of block intake, MSD atomic fuel injection, long tube headers, smart serpentine system, big radiator, optima battery. Everything on this one is right. It's got power steering, it's got power brakes, it's got Rosewood. And just look, I mean, this engine bay is in such great shape. Just awesome. It really is. Fitment on that is perfect too. Hood closes nice. I love this one. I really do. Let's get in the interior. So door panels are all in great shape. TMI seats. These are just great. These are phenomenal. They got the suede. It's just, they're so comfortable. They have reclining position. They move all over. Rear also is in great shape. Deck tray is in great shape. What I like about this one is not only is all of the window seals, everything is new, but they actually did the windows the right way. I mean, they go up and down just like they should. Sometimes we do have issues with these, not this one. It is good to go. Look at that. Oh yeah, I love it. Kind of a factory tint on that. AutoMeter gauges. It's got a Tremec 5-speed. All the documentation with it. This thing does have AC. Love that. Headliner, the lights work. I mean, come on. It's got speakers, everything that you want. Oh, it sounds amazing. And it's a little hot outside. It's got some older fuel in it. All this thing needs is a little bit of high octane and needs to be drove. Been sitting for a little while, but let's look at the trunk. Look at this thing. Has got dyno mat all in it, done the right way. It's got some Kenwoods down there. I believe those are Alpines. You got a Kenwood dyno mat. Look at that trunk. That trunk is just near perfect, just the way that you want it. All metal. I love it. Look at this. I mean, everything around here is all done right. It really is. Look at that. Fits nice, just the way that you want it. And if you look over here to the passenger side, again, all the door panels are in great shape. Dash pad's in great shape. Even just the metal in there is in great shape. This thing has been taken down. All new metal. TMI seats. Look at this. I love when they go and work the way that they should. And it's got, you know, all the new seal. They've been aligned correctly. Everything's been done the right way. They go up and down nice. Now the only thing on this side is that this door lock is not connected. So there's always got to be something. There's something not done right, and that's really the last thing. It probably just came off. That's a nice easy fix. Look at that. It sets up really nice. It is perfect. Let's get into the test drive. That's what I'm excited for on this one. Tilt wheel, AC, power steering, power brakes, everything's new, all metal. I mean, really, this thing is ready to go. Fires right up. Let's get that AC pumping. Oh yeah. Nice hot day today. We got seat belts. We got a Tremec. We got stereo. We got wipers. We got AC. We got a manual. We got a racing clutch. I mean, phenomenal. Phenomenal car. When you see those cars that are just done right, this is one of them. If you're looking for a 69 Chevelle, this is for you. The undercarriage you saw is just in such good shape. The body's in good shape. Engine's in good shape. I mean, it really is. Just everything works the way that it's supposed to. Love it. Love it. Hey, cold AC. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Turn signals. They're gonna work, right? Hey, we got the horn. Everything's working. On a classic. Yeah. And a 5-speed. Yeah. No, so it's not an actual Chevelle SS. It is a Malibu Chevelle. It is Canadian, but it was done right. I would rather have this one over an LS6 not done, because you can actually go out and drive this thing. Even if you got to restore your LS6, what are you going to do? Put another engine in it? Put AC in it? Do all the right stuff? QA1, look at that. This thing handles great. It stops good. It's got the wheel wood. I mean, all the good stuff. If you're looking for a Chevelle to drive, this one, oh yeah, it is definitely ready to go for you. All it needs is a little bit of new fuel and a new owner. Now remember, we have more than 300 photos, online financing, nationwide transport directly to your driveway, all at classiccaraddict.com. And remember, if you like this video, like and subscribe. We appreciate it. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I love it. I love it. Hey, it's ready to go. Break-in's already done. If you are looking for a Chevelle, this is it. ClassicCarAddict.com. Thanks for watching.